Hello everyone, welcome to another question of aviation maths, question 29 in the BNC series for navigation. The question states that given true heading is equal to 090 degrees, TAS is equal to 200 knots, wind velocity is equal to 220 degrees 30 knots, we need to calculate the ground speed and the options are as indicated. We will be using the online version of CX3. The link to the online version is as indicated. In the CX3, we will first press the flight button. After that, we will go to the wind correction field. In wind correction, press enter, and now we will put in the values. True heading, we will put as given 090. Thereafter, TAS will be put as 200. TAS 200, true heading 090, and wind velocity, wind speed of 30. So wind speed enter 30, and wind direction 220. Press enter and we have got our solution. So to go to ground speed field, we see that the ground speed is 220.48 knots, which is our answer. If you look at our options, option D is closest to our answer, 220 knots. So option D is our answer. Thank you for watching the video. Happy landings.